Hey, what's up guys? So the first foldable phone from OnePlus has been in the news lately and it seems like the launch might take place this month as rumored earlier. The unreleased OnePlus phone has now been seen holding by an Indian actress. As you can see, the foldable phone has a big camera module at the back and below the camera module you can see OnePlus logo. The design matches with the renders that we saw earlier. It looks like the OnePlus Open would give the Galaxy Z Fold 5 a tough competition. It's a compact phone with wider aspect ratio. The main display is gonna be a 7.8-inch AMOLED panel with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, whereas the cover display is gonna be a 6.3-inch panel, probably with Full HD Plus resolution and the same 120Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus Open can be folded 400,000 times without any problem. This is as twice as Galaxy Z Fold 5's 200,000 times life cycle. The OnePlus Open was supposed to launch last month, but due to the problem in BOE display, the company had to postpone the launch to next month. The OnePlus Open will now get Samsung mid display instead of BOE display, which is actually really good. The camera configuration is quite impressive too. The main camera is gonna be a 48 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization support, a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. A 32 megapixel camera will be present on the cover screen for selfies, while the main display might house a 20 megapixel selfie snapper. The OnePlus Open will retain the fan favorite alert slider and will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. It will come with 16GB of RAM and 256GB storage, and all of this will be powered by a 4800 mAh battery that will support 67-watt fast charging. The first foldable phone from OnePlus will beat the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in pricing. The OnePlus Open might be priced under $1,500, which is almost $300 cheaper than the Z Fold 5. So what do you guys think about this OnePlus Open? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.